Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing a cute and easy Wonder Woman, so let's get started. First we're going to draw a half circle like this. And then I'm going to draw her headband coming from here. I'm going to draw another part like this. And then I'm going to draw this upside down triangle like this. And a star. And another one of those inside. And then I'm going to draw her eyes. Since it's an easy tutorial, we're just going to draw 2 circles and color them in. And her smile. And we're going to connect. So draw this. And then we're going to move on to her hair. So we're going to come up. And it's going to come down. And do the same on the other side. And I'm going to draw her dress. So we're going to draw that it goes up again. Like this. And then there's lines like this. And her hair. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys, bye.